Hello, my friends, and welcome to today's Free Flow, a blend of EFT tapping and Qigong to energize your mind and body. Starting on the inner eye with some tapping and repeating after me. Even though I feel a bit drained, I choose to take this time to recharge. Outer eye, give back to myself. Under eye, any energy I have carelessly given away. Upper lip, I choose to be present in this moment. Chin, and care for myself fully. Collarbone, letting go of any distractions. Side of the body, allowing myself to feel calm and at ease. Top of the head, recharging my battery with love and intention. Give yourself a nice little shake. We'll start tapping on the inside of the arm and coming back the outside. Knocking across the chest, down the arm, and back up. Doing this 3 times. And making your way to the other arm. Lightly tapping down and back up. And starting on the lungs, coming down to the lower half of the body. And repeating this 3 times. Waking up the lungs, the intestines. Coming down the inside of the leg. And back up the outside. Again, repeating this 3 times. And knocking down the front of the leg and up the back. And one more time. And lightly tapping on your lower back. Giving it a nice little rub if you can to create some heat and friction. And then making hip rotations. Starting small and then working your way out to make the largest rotation you can that feels comfortable for you. Switching sides, going in the opposite direction, picking up the center of the body while your feet remain rooted and planted into the earth. And slowly stop as you come back to center, bringing your hands up by your face and expanding, opening the chest and compressing. So you can see from the side you're using your spine as well, engaging and rolling as you come forward and compressing as you come back. Inhale as you open and expand. Exhale as you compress and come forward. And coming back to center, give yourself a little shake. Bringing your hands into fist as you rotate into a large wheel. Coming back and bowing at the back to compress. Bending at the knees as you come forward. So again, we're waking up the center of the body. We're coming back, we're compressing the kidneys. And when we come forward, really massaging all the internal organs in the front. Rotate sides, coming the opposite direction. Making a large wheel or circle with your hands. Really focus on making the rotation from the waist. Massaging all the internal organs. Allowing your hands to come down by your side. Relaxing and settling into your body for just a moment. And we'll begin shaking. Allowing your knees to slightly bounce, your arms, your neck, everything just to lay loose. Getting a nice vibration throughout the body to wake everything up. The blood flowing, lymph, energy. Also use the breath, breathing in through the nose and letting out a ha through the mouth. Settling in, bringing your hands right at your lower belly, feeling into your energy. Inhale as your hands expand, and exhale as you compress together. Feeling that magnetic sensation between your hands. And allowing them to fall by your side. Placing one hand on your lower back, the other scoops in front of you, palm facing out as it floats across the top of your head. Inhale as you come down and scoop, and exhale as your hand floats across. Visualize scooping into a large pond or body of water, and allowing that water to trickle down your arm, making its way all the way down to your kidneys. Water containing energy, vitality, fueling up your kidneys and giving them energy. Switching hands, scooping and floating, going with your breath. And with both palms facing up, pull up and pushing down. Inhale, growing tall. Exhale as you sink and ground into the earth. Placing both of your hands on your lower belly. Standing here for just a few breaths. Small rotation with your hands. Exhale out. Hopefully you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you guys again soon.